The Lilayi Elephant Nursery was opened in September 2012, and since its opening it has seen 14 elephants graduate from the nursery to the release facility in Kafue-Nationalpark, and of those, 5 of them would not be with us today if it wasn't for the ability to care for them here in Lusaka, the accessibility to vets and supplies, and the ground support that we had to hand raise around the clock these most incredibly vulnerable and emaciated young elephants at point of rescue. It just would not have been able to take place if we had been so remote into the national park without that level of support. And whilst the primary focus for building an elephant nursery in Lusaka was really for the survival of these young elephants, another major milestone and achievement for this nursery is the number of individuals it has now reached. We have reached over 80,000 visitors in the last 9 years who have had the opportunity to see these elephants and be inspired by their stories and actually learn about the conservation challenges here on the ground. Sometimes all good things have to come to an end, and we're in a situation now where unfortunately the city is rapidly encroaching upon the edges of Lilayi Game Park, but at the same time Lusaka National Park has been designated just over the road from here. And Lusaka National Park is a 5,000 hectare piece of wilderness that is now intact and preserved and protected through the Department of National Parks and Wildlife. In the last few years we have been working on a plan to relocate the elephant nursery in its entirety inside the Lusaka National Park to give the elephants a more wild experience, and so it really is the rightful place for these young elephants. They are part of the wild system here, and it is a national park. In Lusaka National Park we have developed an education centre, and so it's a place to inspire and to learn about the natural resources here, as well as get to see these young orphans. Having the opportunity to really expand our educational outreach through this project is very exciting, and I think an incredibly important step forwards in supporting conservation in Zambia. Whilst we will miss Lilayi, we're really excited to be able to create a nursery that is more sort of focused on everything that we think the elephants need. So we're incredibly excited to be able to partner with national parks and be within a national park again, and give these elephants the best opportunity for their initial rehabilitation before going into Kafue National Park for release.